to receive this amazing gift with purchase. People will ask me, what foundation do you have? I have one of you will receive. Hi everyone, I'm so excited. Today I'm gonna review the newest gift from Estee Lauder. Save the date, April 8th to April 21st at Nordstrom. We're gonna have amazing gift with purchase from Estee Lauder. Look at how pretty just bag. It reminds me a little bit, hello, I will say Versace, don't you think? Look at how beautiful this bag. It reminds me a little bit, I will say Versace colors, Versace little bit print. It's beautiful. We have here, like, I will say little ocean inside. Okay, I'm gonna show you what you will receive, how much you need to spend to receive this amazing gift with purchase. Again, look at this bag. Ooh, so beautiful. This bag fabric, it's made from 100% recycling material. You can see it's pink outside and beautiful blue inside. I always tell my friends, my customer, check your old bags. If they dirty, disgusting, throw away because you want new makeup bag. This gift have so many different step up, but let's start with first one. If you spend $75, you will receive this beautiful bag and this bag with all goodies inside. And let me show you what inside. I know it's little bit, it's not your $30 or $40. Yes, it's with purchase $75. Because what do we have inside? We have Re-Nutriv. If you're not familiar with Re-Nutriv, it's a very, I will say, high skincare level from Estee Lauder. You're gonna receive a cleanser, and this is its rich cleanser, rich foam cleanser mousse. This cleanser you can use for face and for eyes, and it's really gentle. Look at this, it's pretty big size. It's 1 ounce or 30 ml. And you can use this cleanser morning and night. Then I have a pretty big size of advanced night repair serum. This is serum will hydrate your skin. This is serum will give you a radiance. This is serum will repair lines and wrinkles. And it's probably #1 selling serum in United States. And it's a pretty big amount, 15 ml or 0.5 ounce. And remember, after cleanser, toner, you will use serum. Serum comes to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer. And then you will use moisturizer. This is moisturizer. It's Re-Nutriv Ultima Lift Regenerating Cream. And we have a 0.5 ounce or 15 ml. Also, you do have inside brochure, will tell you about product, it will tell you ounce. If you're traveling, that's it. This is you're ready for your travel because you have everything. This moisturizer, it's your hydrating moisturizer, wrinkle reduction, brightening, and firming. And you can use this moisturizer day and night because it's no SPF. And it's don't have a strong smell, but it does have some scent here. But what I like it about this moisturizer, it's not comedogenic, it's not gonna plug your pore. It's a light texture, it's not like a heavy rich. I would say it's a light but creamy moisturizer. And I do like how it smells. Okay, remember you can use this day and night. And now I'm gonna show you eye cream. Yes, you have in this gift cleanser, you have moisturizer, serum, and eye cream. Look at how cute this mini eye cream, but I'll say it's mini, not mini. It's very expensive, this eye cream, Full size, it's $178, and full size is 0.5, and here you have a half size. It's here. It's amazing, and this will be your free if you, for you it's free if you spend $75. This is eye cream. It's amazing. It's a lifting, it's firming, and of course we're gonna give you nice beautiful hydration. Texture, it's very light. It will give you, it's not like gel, it is cream, but it's, I will say, light creamy texture eye cream. It's not your rich, but it's not your gel. It's, I will say, average eye cream. One more item in this bag, and it's one of my favorite. If you are long enough with me, you know I love this primer. This is Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance Water Glow Primer. This is your foundation primer. It's also light. It will give you nice beautiful glow, and you will not feel like, you know how some primers have like really slick, this silicone feeling. You do not, but will give you nice hydration. And if you ever forgot your moisturizer, you can use, because you will feel this, it's like a light texture moisturizer. But if you dry, I will recommend to buy this full size, because it's a beautiful primer. It's again will give you nice beautiful hydration and glow. I don't know if you can see or not, but I just love. And it does have a little bit smell, but it's not too strong, it's not powerful. But if you don't know what to buy, but you want to spend $75 and you want to get a gift, I will highly recommend these products. And if you don't know what else to get, and you want full coverage foundation, you know it's my number one foundation. Even I am dry right now, extremely dry. This is still my favorite foundation, because it's a full coverage. It's even my skin, you don't see any pigmentation, discoloration, and because I use this primer and serum from Estee Lauder, it don't look smart on me. It's glowing and it's pretty. Most compliments I swear to God, maybe, yeah, I'm telling you true. Every time when I wear an Estee Lauder, people will ask me, what foundation do you have? I have Estee Lauder. Yes, I have a 40 different foundation, but if I want my skin looks the best, it's double wear. Before I show you all step-ups, let me say thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, subscribing my YouTube channel, and let's do again something special. One of you will receive free gift from me. I will send you home, free shipping. Sorry, you must live in United States. Please leave me a nice beautiful comments. If you're not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. Love you more than ice cream. And again, me and my daughter, we will choose one of you and I will send you home, and this will be your free gift from me. Let's continue. If you spend $100, you will receive full-size mascara. This mascara, it's a pretty good volume mascara. It's Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. Again, it's a full size. Look at this big brush. But I actually excited about something else. It's eyeliner. Yes, you spend $100, you will receive mascara and eyeliner. You have a black eyeliner and you have a nude eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliner, because I like to use this nude color on my waterline. Can you see this? Whew. Look at this eyeliner. It's so smooth. It's bright my eyes. I absolutely in love with this color. I love this neutral color, and this is your black color. It's perfect black. You can use on top, nude on the bottom, your waterline, and I actually really like it. It's so smooth. It's beautiful eyeliner. And one more item, if you spend $150, you will receive this Micro Essence. It's your treatment lotion. Will help you with hydration. I'll say it will lock your hydration. This product will help you with redness. How to use this product? First, you will use a cleanser. Then you will use this beautiful product. It's essence. Then you will put your serum, then you will put your moisturizer, and then your eye cream. Again, with $150, you will receive this gift, which one of you will receive from me. Then you will receive your eyeliner and mascara. Wow, right? And then you will receive this treatment lotion. Save the day from April 8th to April 21st. We're gonna have a natural Estee Lauder gift with purchase at Nordstrom. And if you wanna purchase something, if you want me to help you, please reach me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I will take your order. I will send to you home. It's free shipping from Nordstrom, and I like to put always some extra goodies. You know girls who shop with me, right? Love you more than ice cream. Comments below.